So it comes in a 2-pack. So you get two of these in a pack. And simple instructions. You can place your phone inside this as a holder, and then you spray it with this, and then you wipe it down in the same direction with the fiber side, which is green. Now, I must admit, it did clean the screen. But now I feel a little bad because my screen, because I wear makeup, had makeup on it, and now this there's makeup on the green portion that I want to wipe off. Would I use it again? Of course. It's just that the green portion, I feel like cleaning the screen before I use it because I don't want this to be dirty. And I don't know what I'm going to use this for. But does it clean the screen? I guess that's the most important thing. And the answer is yes.